This is the Second Skin Light Support Lace Demiette. It comes in sizes 32 through 44 and fits sizes 24 through 44. It has a gorgeous deep V neckline with beautiful soft lace on the outside of the cups that don't touch your skin on the inside. You can see it's got a little bit of a wider band across the bottom, but there is no gripper around our Second Skin bands. This is the back of the Second Skin Light Support Lace Demiette. As you can see, those straps have a lot of nice long adjustment. They are convertible, so you can crisscross them in the back as well. This is the inside of the Lace Second Skin Light Support Demiette. You can see that it's got that beautiful neckline, but the lace on the outside of this one is not touching you on the inside. Just this super soft mesh fabric. There's also a pocket here for petals if you'd like that nip coverage and added shape and support. And then you can see the soft seams that go across right under the bust line and the wide band without a silicone gripper. And this is the back of the Second Skin Lace Light Support Demiette. You can see how the structure of the back of it goes across, and then of course no silicone across the bottom and nice convertible straps that you can crisscross if you'd like to.